Okay, this is the finished part of the wiring repair on the 2006 Chrysler Pacifica. We soldered 3 wires and did some heat shrink and double insulated it because what actually caused the problem was the wiring harness rubbing on this mount, which was there was a couple of service bulletins on that. Most of them were related to the PCM and fuel injector problems, but in this particular case, this car was wrecked, which you can see right there, in there, and it probably, and in the course of that, it broke this motor mount in the front, and that harness just started to move back and forth and eventually rubbed a hole in the conduit and cut those wires. So hopefully this is the end of this problem. This is Jake with LA Mobile Auto. You can find us on YouTube at Jake's Mobile Auto Repair /YouTube, or type in Jake Photo /YouTube. Thanks for watching.